got it! Designing your own school and then you get to place things where you want them to be.
Well, it's amazing.
Today we're in Shacklewell Primary School in Hackney in East London to trial our new design app for designing primary schools.
Which one should we do?
We wanted to test the app on children to test how intuitive the design process would be.
We need the classrooms first and the entrance. There's important stuff.
Traditionally, an architect will be employed to try and produce a feasibility study in line with area and adjacency requirements set by the Department for Education. This app seeks to pre-embed those area and adjacency requirements in the form of spatial design clusters.
It's really clever. I love it.
And it's a bit like having your ideas made into reality.
We wanted to make this not only easy to use but free to use. We're releasing this as open source. To see something that we've worked so hard on being so intuitively picked up, it's very satisfying.